Hello, my name is Brian. You might know me as Zan from a few different baseball card message boards, and also as the resident Hank Greenberg collector. Today I am doing this for the first time upon recommendation from my friend Michael, who also posts videos on YouTube. I have a pretty large PC purchase here that I just got in the mail, and I'd like to open it in front of you guys. So I guess without further ado, have to thank Lisa from the Freedom Cardboard forums and the Blowout forums for coordinating this deal. This would not be possible without you, so I really appreciate your help with this if you see this video. So this is inside. I want to take this out of the bubble wrap so you can see it clearly. Hank Greenberg, 1 of 1, Bat Knob, National Treasures. It's really sweet. Even better than I had seen on her Twitter. One more look. All right. Thanks, guys.